Last part of topic molecular basis of inheritance is DNA fingerprinting. Genes present on chromosomes are responsible for determining characters of the organism as well as for inheritance of characters. We know on chromosome DNAs are present and these DNAs are known as gene, or even small segment of DNA is known as gene, and this small segment of DNA is responsible for formation of mRNA molecule, and from this mRNA molecule synthesis of protein takes place. आपण याच्या विषयात अभ्यास केलेला आहे. And this protein is responsible for expression of character of the organism. So due to recombination of parental and maternal gene, we differ from our parent. So we know during crossing over, exchange of chromosomal part takes place between maternal chromosome and paternal chromosome. So during exchange, the genes also transfer from maternal to paternal or from paternal to maternal, and due to which the variation occur in the offspring. Differences also arise due to infrequent mutations that occur during gamete formation. We know the definition of mutation: sudden change in the genetic makeup, means change in the nucleotide present on the DNA result into the mutation, means formation of new character in the organism. Due to all these factors, even individual has its unique genetic makeup, which may be called its fingerprint. The technique developed to identify a person with the help of DNA restriction analysis is known as DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting. So this is important point. What is DNA fingerprinting असा प्रश्न विचारला जाईल. मग त्या ठिकाणी ही डेफिनेशन लिहायचे. द टेक्निक डेव्हलप टू आयडेंटिफाय अ पर्सन with the help of DNA restriction analysis is known as DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting. The technique of fingerprinting was first given by British geneticist Dr. Alec Jeffrey in 1984. DNA fingerprinting technique is based on identification of nucleotide sequence present in this wonder molecule. वंडर मोलिक्यूल मीन्स DNA. त्या DNA वरचा जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड सिक्वेन्स आहे तो ओळखणे म्हणजेच DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंग. About 99.9% of nucleotide sequence in all persons is same. Only some short sequences of nucleotides differ from person to person. In the population, every person shows unusual sequences of 20 to 100 base pairs which are repeated several times. They are termed as variable number of tandem repeats or VNTRS. Question may be asked on this point. What is the full form of VNTRS? The full form of VNTRS is variable number of tandem repeats. The length of the region having VNTRS is different in each individual and hence is the key factor in DNA profiling. तर याची VNTRS ची लेंथ जी आहे ती वेगवेगळी असते वेगवेगळ्या ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये. Steps involved in DNA fingerprinting are: first step is isolation of DNA, second step is restriction digestion, third step is gel electrophoresis, fourth step is southern blotting, fifth step is selection of DNA probe, sixth step is hybridization, seventh step is photography. Let's hear details about these steps. परीक्षेमध्ये याच्यावरती प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो. व्हॉट इज DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंग? एक्सप्लेन डिफरंट स्टेप्स ऑफ DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंग. मग आता त्याच्या स्टेप्स आपण पाहूया. पहिली स्टेप जी आहे आयसोलेशन ऑफ DNA. The DNA must be recovered from the cells or tissue of the body or host. The only small amount of tissue like blood, hair, roots, skin, etc. is required. म्हणजे ब्लडमधून किंवा हेअर रूट्समधून किंवा स्किनमधून DNA आयसोलेट करता येतो. त्यानंतर सेकंड स्टेप आहे रेस्ट्रिक्शन डायजेशन. द आयसोलेटेड DNA is treated with restriction enzyme. The restriction enzyme cut the DNA into small fragments having variable length. मग रेस्ट्रिक्शन एन्झाईमच्या साहाय्याने त्या DNAचे फ्रॅगमेंट्स केले जातात. This phenomenon is called restriction fragment length polymorphism or RFLP. याच्यावरही प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो. What is full form of RFLP? Then third step is gel electrophoresis. The DNA samples are loaded for agarose gel electrophoresis under an electric influence. The DNA fragments which are negatively charged move to the positive pole. The movement of these fragments depends on the length of the fragments. ज्या फ्रॅगमेंटची लेंथ जास्त आहे ते खाली राहतील आणि ज्या फ्रॅगमेंटची लेंथ कमी आहे ते वर जातील. This result in the formation of bands. dsDNA splits into ssDNA. dsDNA means double stranded DNA split into single stranded DNA by alkali treatment. Then southern blotting. The separated DNA fragments are transferred to a nylon membrane or a nitrocellulose filter paper by placing it over the gel and soaking them with the filter paper overnight. Then fifth step is selection of DNA probe. A known sequence of single stranded DNA is prepared. आता माहीत असणारा DNA घेतात. It is called DNA probe. त्याला DNA probe असं म्हणायचं. DNA probe is obtained from organism or prepared by cDNA technology. The DNA probe is labeled with radioactive isotope. The next step is hybridization. Probe DNA is added to the nitrocellulose filter paper containing host DNA. आता प्रोब DNA सुद्धा नायट्रोसेल्युलोज फिल्टर पेपरवर ॲड केला जातो. The single stranded DNA probe pairs with the complementary base sequence of the host DNA strand. As a result, DNA hybrids are formed on the नायट्रोसेल्युलोज फिल्टर पेपर. आता जो आपण DNA आयसोलेट केला होता आणि होस्ट DNA किंवा प्रोब DNA यांचं हायब्रिडायझेशन. रिमेनिंग सिंगल स्टँडर्ड DNA प्रोब फ्रॅगमेंट्स आर वॉश्ड ऑफ. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज फोटोग्राफी. द नायट्रोसेल्युलोज फिल्टर पेपर इज photographed on X-ray film by autoradiography. The film is analyzed to determine the presence of hybrid DNA. Then application of DNA fingerprinting. In forensic science, DNA fingerprinting is used to solve problem of rape and some complicated murder cases. आता या ठिकाणी जे गुन्हेगार असतात त्या गुन्हेगारांचं ब्लड किंवा हेअर जर सापडलं तर ते हेअर किंवा ब्लड कलेक्ट करतात, त्याच्यातला DNA आयसोलेट करतात आणि जो संशयित गुन्हेगार आहे त्या संशयित गुन्हेगाराच्या DNA बरोबर मॅच होतो का नाही हे पाहिलं जातं. हे एक मोठं ॲप्लिकेशन DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंगचं आहे. सेकंड ॲप्लिकेशन, DNA fingerprinting is used to find out the biological father or mother or both of the child in case of disputed parentage. म्हणजे काही फॅमिलीमध्ये अपत्यावरून वाद निर्माण झालेले असतात. मग अशा ठिकाणी डी एन ए फिंगरप्रिंटिंगवरून ते अपत्य नेमकं कोणाचं आहे हे डिटेक्ट करता येतं. थर्ड ॲप्लिकेशन इज DNA fingerprinting is used to pedigree analysis in cats, dogs, horses and humans. वंशावळ स्टडी करण्यासाठी या DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंगचा वापर केला जातो. Here this is the figure which shows DNA fingerprinting. This is sample DNA extracted. This is isolated purified DNA and it cut into fragments by restriction enzyme, then transfer of DNA to membrane, southern blotting, then selected single stranded DNA probe, hybridization of DNA. This is the X-ray. So these are the steps of DNA fingerprinting. Father of DNA fingerprinting in India is Dr. Lalji Singh. He was instrumental in making DNA fingerprinting mainstream in India for research and its forensic applications. He obtained DNA probe from Y chromosome of female banded krait snake. In this snake, female has XY and male has YY chromosome. The unique segment obtained from this chromosome is banded krait minor BKM DNA. It was used to develop probe for the indigenous DNA fingerprinting technique. Contribution of Dr. Lalji Singh. First, he installed several dedicated laboratories on aspects of genetics such as population biology, structural biology, and transgenic research. Second, his work in the field of DNA fingerprinting technology contributed for wildlife conservation, forensic evolution and phylogeny. Third, he established a Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostic CDFD in late 1990s, making it nodal center for DNA fingerprinting and diagnostic for all species and several diseases. Fourth, founded Laboratory for Conservation of Endangered Species, LACONES. So thank you. This is about the topic molecular basis of inheritance. We have completed this topic. या टॉपिकवरती जे क्वेश्चन दिलेले आहेत ते क्वेश्चन व्यवस्थित सोडवा. जेव्हा आपलं कॉलेज चालू होईल तेव्हा ते तपासले जातील. थँक्यू वन्स अगेन.